Mahendra Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Today's topic, Thevenin's Theorem. Thevenin's theorem states that any linear active bilateral network having more than one source converted into single voltage source with series resistance. See the diagram number 1 in your screen for a linear system and find the current passing through load resistance RL, or find the Thevenin's equivalent circuit across terminal AB. Step 1. Remove the load resistance and find the equivalent resistance across terminal AB, known as RTH or RS or RT. And step 2. Find the Thevenin's equivalent voltage across terminal AB, known as Thevenin's equivalent voltage VTH or Vs or Vt. For an example, find the current passing through 40 ohm resistor using Thevenin's theorem for the circuit shown in the figure. Step 1. Remove the load resistance. 40 ohm resistor remove from the terminal AB. Calculation for RTH means Thevenin's equivalent resistance across terminal AB. At the time of Thevenin's equivalent resistance, voltage source replaced by short circuit and current source replaced by open circuit, because the internal resistance of ideal voltage source is 0, so voltage source replaced by short circuit, and the internal resistance of ideal current source is infinite, so current source replaced by open circuit. In the given example, both are voltage source, so replaced by short circuit. See the figure in your screen. Calculate the Thevenin's equivalent resistance across terminal AB, means 10 ohm and 20 ohm both in parallel. Two resistance parallel, then equivalent resistance is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, means 20 into 10 upon 20 plus 10 equal to 6.67 is your Thevenin's equivalent resistance RTH or RT. Next step, calculation for Thevenin's equivalent voltage VTH. Find the equivalent voltage across terminal AB. It means VAB equal to VA minus VB. In this circuit, VB is 0, so VTH equal to VAB equal to VA. Apply node at terminal A and assume the voltage across terminal A is VA. VA minus 10 upon 10 plus VA minus 20 upon 20 equal to 0. VTH equal to VA equal to VT equal to 13.33. This is your Thevenin's equivalent voltage. Thevenin's equivalent voltage and Thevenin's resistance are connected in series, and also load resistance connect the terminal AB. Our load resistance is 40 ohm. So VTH, RTH and RL connected in series. I equal to VTH upon RTH plus RL. I equal to 13 upon 6.67 plus 40 equal to 13 upon 46.67 equal to 0.278 is your current I.